Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to buy and sell crypto using MEXC's P2P platform. If this helps you, hit like so more people can find it. First, open the MEXC app. From the homepage, you can either tap More, Assets, P2P, or go through Trade, P2P to access the P2P page. Next, make sure you've added a payment method if you haven't already. This is required to buy or sell crypto on the platform. To sell crypto, choose P2P as the trading mode and tap the Sell tab. You'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies like USDT, USDC, BTC, or ETH. Select the one you want to sell and choose a buyer from the advertiser list. Make sure to carefully review the buyer's payment methods and trading terms before proceeding. Next, tap the Sell button, enter the amount of crypto you want to sell or the amount of fiat you want to receive, and the system will calculate the equivalent automatically. Check the box confirming you've read and agree to the MEXC P2P service agreement, and you'll be redirected to the order page to complete the transaction. That's it! Using MEXC P2P trading is simple once you know the steps, and it's a great way to convert crypto to fiat quickly. If this helped you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.